Is coconut a superfood or just a high-calorie treat? From coconut water to coconut oil and even coconut meat, this tropical fruit is packed with nutrients. But are there any hidden downsides? In today's video, we'll explore the benefits, potential risks, and the best ways to enjoy coconut. Stick around for a quick and healthy coconut recipe at the end. Let's start with the benefits of coconuts. Coconut meat, the white flesh inside, is rich in healthy fats called medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. These fats are easily absorbed by the body and can provide a quick source of energy, making coconuts a great option for athletes or anyone on a high-fat, low-carb diet. Coconuts are also high in fiber, which supports digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. 1 cup of shredded coconut contains about 7 grams of fiber, making it an excellent choice for gut health. Coconut water, the clear liquid inside young coconuts, is a natural source of electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. This makes it a great hydration option after exercise or on a hot day. And let's not forget the antioxidants in coconut. They help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. While coconuts have many benefits, there are a few things to keep in mind. One major concern is their high fat content. While the fats in coconuts are healthy, they're also calorie-dense. Eating too much coconut meat or using too much coconut oil can lead to weight gain if not balanced with other foods. Coconut water, while hydrating, can also be high in natural sugars. Drinking large amounts may spike blood sugar levels, especially for people with diabetes. Another thing to consider is that coconut allergies, while rare, do exist. If you experience itching, swelling, or discomfort after eating coconut, it's best to avoid it. So, how can you enjoy coconuts while getting the most out of their benefits? Here are a few tips. First, choose fresh or minimally processed coconut products. Look for unsweetened shredded coconut, pure coconut water, and virgin coconut oil to avoid added sugars or unnecessary ingredients. Second, use coconut oil sparingly for cooking. While it's great for high-heat cooking, balance it with other oils like olive oil for variety. Lastly, incorporate coconut into your meals as a topping or ingredient. Try sprinkling shredded coconut on oatmeal, or using coconut milk in curries for a rich, tropical flavor. Coconut is versatile and can be enjoyed in sweet or savory dishes, making it a delicious addition to many diets. In summary, coconuts are a nutrient-packed fruit that offers healthy fats, fiber, and hydration. They support digestion, provide quick energy, and can even help with inflammation. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation if you're mindful of calories or sugar intake. How do you like to use coconut in your diet? Let me know in the comments below. And as promised, here's a quick recipe. Try a coconut chia pudding. Mix coconut milk, chia seeds, and a touch of honey. Let it sit overnight, then top with fresh fruit for a healthy and satisfying treat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more food breakdowns and healthy eating tips. See you next time.